welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be explaining the operating systems. So let's just get in. So first of all is Linux. Yeah, it looks pretty standard, right? But the name it isn't. But it's pretty basic for some users. It is. Yep, it is. As you can see, this means it's pretty basic. Yes, this Linux operating system. Well, but then the owners weren't happy. Then they added the Arch Linux, which is coming up soon. Okay, so let's just head on. Now macOS. As you can see, I even showed you the Finder. So now it's time to erase everything. But as you can see, you can probably use the Linux operating system. It's better than it. Well, because look at the logo. Looks like this apparently. Well, it's not basic for Windows, but it's advanced for some users. And sometimes it's user friendly. Yeah, it's quite user friendly for me. And I'm about to get one soon. So I'd pretty appreciate it if you liked the video. Anyways, so let's just get back into explaining. The macOS OS is actually pretty tough to use, but soon you will get to know the macOS operating system. So next off is Windows 11, which is better than Chrome OS Flex and user friendly. We all know that, right? Well, I didn't implement Chrome OS, but the name is here, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. It is. And my hardware is currently Windows 11. Like I can show you. As you can see, this is my Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so let's just hit back in. Now, Arch Linux. It's a pretty hard operating system to use and even set up. Well, based on the logo, and now it's Xbox 360. Now it was made by Microsoft because Microsoft didn't want the computer. They also created a phone, Lumia 950, and then they created the Microsoft Windows, then the Xbox 360. Yeah, the first version they created, it was the OG Xbox. It was pretty old at the time. Okay? And did you know that Xbox, it was pretty good for gaming. Like it almost replaced the PS5. Except that nowadays we have, you know, you know, this is the most close one to beating the PS5. But no, the Microsoft, the Microsoft company, anyways, so, the Microsoft company, it was working so hard for this operating system. They did so well that they almost beat the PS and the owner who made the PlayStation. Anyways, so that was the end. Hope you like this. See you soon. Bye bye.